guys, Gladys Nairobi Power Bikes. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, comment, and also like. Today we have a visitor, but unfortunately, I'm a ender, and the lucky person who has taken this bike is Eddie. Let me introduce him. Let me call him Eddie.
Hello.
Hi, karibu sana.
Yeah.
Yeah, Eddie, thank you so much for purchasing the Taro GP V3. How did you get to know us? How did you purchase this bike? What was the process? Maybe you can tell us kidogo about the bike, about how you came to get us.
So, what I love about this bike is, let me just call it a mini beast. It was about 250cc. That is something I was looking for. Oil-cooled technology. Also, the braking is superb. That is something I was also looking forward to. So, I just encountered Gladys online on the Facebook Marketplace, and here we are.
So maybe you can sit on it and let's see how it's going to look like.
I also love the color, by the way.
You love the color?
Yeah.
All right.
At least it complements my skin.
Okay.
So these ones, right?
And always make sure that when you're riding, every time you have the helmet, the riding gears, and the knickers.
Yeah, just something for Nairobi Power Bikes. These are LS2, by the way. One of the best helmets in the market. Yeah.
And have you told them that this bike is a TFT?
Yeah, it's a TFT,
Yeah,
full
meaning
TFT display. You can zoom in on it.
You can zoom it. Yeah, this one is going to diagnose any issues with your bike. Yeah, I'm sure that you're going to love this bike, and I wish you all the best. Every time you have any problem, just give us a call. We'll always be there. Eddie, asante sana. Yeah, and ride safe. Yeah, bye bye.